So this is one chicken sauce that you have to try out. It is better than takeout. It's so delicious. It's very yummy. And one thing is so easy to make. I promise you, you're going to be licking your fingers when you make this. This tasted so good. So the first thing you want to do is to get your chicken ready. For this recipe, I'm making use of chicken thigh, boneless chicken thigh. So you can decide to use chicken breast, any part of chicken of your choice, but preferable go with the boneless chicken thigh because it's absorb more flavor than chicken breast, is super sweet. So if you want this to be very tasty, go with the boneless chicken thigh. So the next thing you want to do is just to cut it into strips. So once that is done, season up with seasoning cubes, salt, and some crushed peppers. So just mix up everything together and set aside. So you can decide to place this in the refrigerator for it to marinate, or you can just leave it aside and prep for other ingredients. So I have on my table some carrots, so just cut that into strips. So I have also some bell peppers. I made use of the green, yellow, and red, so you can decide to go with any color of your choice. So the next thing I want to do is to get my sauce ready. So I have here some soy sauce, some oyster sauce, some honey, and some sweet chili sauce. So you just want to mix this up together in order for it to combine. So for this recipe, I just went with the flow. But if you want to have like a proper measurement, I'll say go with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then the next thing you want to do is to add 1.5 tablespoon of sweet chili sauce. And then for the honey, just go with 1 tablespoon of honey. And for the oyster sauce, go with half tablespoon of oyster sauce. So mix up everything together. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metoka. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to get notified when I drop a new video. And to my returning viewers, thank you for stopping by. Do not forget to like, comment, and share. To tell you how it's very tasty this sauce is, as I'm editing this video, I just decided to make another one. This tasted so good. You're going to love it. So make sure that you try this out. You are going to really love it. You're going to be licking your fingers. So once you've done combining your sauce, next thing you want to do, you just want to mix up everything together until this is well combined. Next thing I'm getting ready is my cornstarch slurry. So into my bowl, I just combine cornstarch and water. Mix up properly until you have a lumps free texture. Next thing you want to do is to prep for other ingredients. So off camera, I prep for other ingredients I'm going to use in this recipe. So check the description box for the full ingredients list. So the next thing I did was to heat up some little oil in my saucepan, then add in the seasoned chicken. You want to cook your chicken until it is ready. So stir at intervals so that your chicken doesn't get burned. This should just take about 10 minutes or thereabouts for your chicken to get ready. So once the chicken is ready, so just scoop this out and set aside. So the oil that is on your saucepan might not be enough, or it might be enough. So if it's not enough, just add a little more oil to your saucepan, and then you want to just add some onions, garlic, and ginger. So you just want to saute that for like some 10 seconds, and then add in some Scotch bonnet pepper. So once that is done, just add in your vegetables and just give this a very quick stir. Then add in your sauce and go in with some chicken stock as well. So give this a quick mix and see how this looks so amazing already. So the next thing you want to do is to return the chicken back to the fire and then add in your cornstarch slurry. Give that a very quick mix, and the next thing is to drizzle some sesame seed oil and then go in with some spring onion, and that's it. Your delicious sauce is ready. The tastes that so good, you are going to love it. So make sure you try out this recipe. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and share. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Lots of kisses.
Your midweek flame